Hello, in front of me I've got Garmin Edge 540. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with smartphone's app. In the beginning, make sure you've got Garmin app installed on your smartphone and enter it. Now turn on your Garmin device, tap plus in the top right corner. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone, and next go to Menu, Connected Features, Phone, enable it and select Per Smartphone. Now browse all compatible devices. Select your device. And you should be able to locate it right here. Once it's connected with your smartphone, go back to the app and it will automatically pair with the app. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.